Welcome to this session on posting a goods issue to a production order in SAP. In this lesson, you'll learn how to navigate to the goods movement screen, link your transaction to a production order, adjust consume material quantities if needed, and post the goods issue to update inventory and cost tracking. Posting a goods issue is an essential step in production operations. It officially records the consumption of raw materials, semi-finished goods, or components used during manufacturing, ensuring that inventory levels are accurate and that production costs are properly allocated. Let's consider how this process plays out at a company like Pepsi. Imagine a Pepsi bottling facility producing a new flavor of bottled water for an upcoming marketing campaign. As production begins, operators consume materials like bottles, caps, labels, and concentrate. A production coordinator accesses SAP's goods movement screen, selects goods issue for the active production order, and records the exact quantities used, including any slight variations due to production realities. By posting the goods issue accurately, inventory balances are reduced in real time, production costs are captured against the correct orders, and financial tracking remains transparent. Across Pepsi's global operations, careful goods issue posting ensures that raw materials are managed efficiently and that production costs reflect real consumption, not just planned estimates. Now think about your own plant or warehouse. Are you posting goods issues promptly and accurately? Could better control over material consumption help reduce waste, improve inventory tracking, or enhance production reporting? Let's get started and walk through how to post a goods issue to a production order in SAP. Let's begin by learning how to post a goods issue for a production order in SAP. Posting a goods issue means recording the physical consumption of materials from inventory for use in production. This step ensures that inventory levels are accurate, costs are properly accounted for, and production can proceed without interruptions. To start, navigate to the goods movement screen. On the SAP Easy Access screen, follow this navigation path carefully. First, click on Logistics. Inside Logistics, select Materials Management. From there, navigate to Inventory Management. Within Inventory Management, choose Goods Movement. And finally, select Goods Movement again. This path leads you directly to the area where you can process all types of goods movements, including goods issues, goods receipts, and stock transfers. Alternatively, you can go directly by typing MIGO into the command field at the top of the screen and pressing Enter. MIGO is the comprehensive SAP transaction used for various goods movements, including goods issues, goods receipts, stock transfers, and returns, all through one flexible interface. Once inside the goods movement screen, you'll begin setting up the transaction. In the transaction field, click the drop-down list and select Goods Issue. This selection tells SAP that you intend to record the consumption of inventory items. Then tap to the next field labeled Reference Document. From the drop-down list, select Order. Choosing Order ensures that the goods issue will be linked specifically to a production order, not to a sales order, reservation, or project. Next, in the field that appears, enter your production order number. This number links the goods movement directly to the correct manufacturing instruction. After entering the production order number, click Execute to proceed. Now you are on the Goods Issue Details screen. Before proceeding, you may notice that the screen includes a section called Detailed Data. To simplify the view, scroll to the bottom left corner of the screen and click Close Detailed Data. This collapses extra information and makes the component list easier to review. Locate the material named casing, or the specific component you wish to adjust. In the quantity field next to the casing component, change the quantity to reflect any additional consumption needed during production. It's common for real-world production processes to consume more material than originally planned. Adjusting the quantity here accommodates those variations. After adjusting quantities, select the OK checkbox for all components that are being issued. Selecting OK confirms to the system that you have reviewed and approved the quantity to be posted. Allowing slight overissues ensures that production is not interrupted if slightly more material is consumed than planned. Let's post the goods issue. After reviewing all component quantities, it's time to finalize the transaction. Click Post. SAP will now record the material consumption, update inventory levels in real time, and create accounting entries reflecting the movement of goods. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the goods issue was successfully posted. After confirming the posting, click Exit to return to the SAP Easy Access screen. Always double check that all required components have been properly issued before posting. Failing to issue all needed materials could cause production to stall, delay order completion, or require emergency postings later on. Accurate goods issue posting is crucial for maintaining up-to-date inventory records, precise cost accounting, and efficient production execution. Congratulations on completing this walkthrough on posting a goods issue to a production order in SAP. You've now seen how to navigate the goods movement screen, link material movements to a production order, adjust for real-world material consumption, and post the transaction correctly. Recording goods issues ensures that inventory balances are accurate, production costs are captured properly, and production flows without unnecessary interruptions. It's a key step that supports accurate reporting, efficient warehouse management, and reliable cost accounting across manufacturing operations. Let's return to our Pepsi example. From bottling plants in Europe to snack factories in North America, Pepsi relies on accurate goods issue posting to manage inventory precisely and track actual production costs. Without disciplined goods issue practices, raw materials might appear available when they're not, production costs could be misstated, and operational efficiency would suffer. Now reflect on your own role. Are goods issues being posted completely and accurately? Could closer review of component quantities help prevent stock shortages or improve costing accuracy? By mastering the process of posting goods issues, you are building a vital bridge between production operations and financial transparency in SAP. Keep practicing. You're adding another key skill to your SAP Production Execution Toolkit.